Hey all, this is Mike at the Dent Guy. We have for you a 2014 BMW 3 Series with a heavy hood dent on the edge of the panel. These dents are particularly difficult because of the triple folded steel that is bonded to the vehicle's structure. First, Dan needs to take away the main objection of the damage with a set of edge pliers. You'll also notice that Dan is using a crossbar. This is a handy tool for glue pulling and applying pressure under the panel while he's straightening the triple folded steel from above. Dan is also making sure to constantly move his line board light to cross-check the panel for those same high and low spots. As Dan works on the hood, you'll notice that he's continually cleaning and buffing the work area, allowing him to see both high and low spots that he'll need to knock down or pull up throughout the process. If you have a dent or ding that you'd like us to look at, stop by the Dent Guy, located at 1184 Emerson Street, or go online to the Dent Guy of Rochester, NY.com.